Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, February the 16th, 2010. Well, a very large green-bodied candle today, and that signifies a large amount of net bullish gain made by the buyers between the open and the close. And that tells us that the trend that the market is in the first time frame, which is to the upside, is looking fairly healthy at the moment. Here we have a series of the market making a series of higher highs and higher lows, and on today's candle the market actually took out a significant area of resistance. On two occasions recently the market found resistance at the 1080 level, and today the market has made an extremely bullish close up above that region. Having said that, though, the market is now trading within the cloud or the Kumo, and potentially the area within the cloud offers resistance to this market. So this appreciation excuse me, that the market is having at the moment has potential to come to an end. Also, there's solid resistance offered by the Kijun-sen, which is the pink line here, which represents the trend in the medium-term time frame. And that's telling us that the market is finding equilibrium. That represents the equilibrium level, and once the market trades to around that level, the market will be in balance. So we should expect that the market will move out of equilibrium once it trades back to around that area. As we've seen previously, when the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action, and that's exactly what's happened here. This very solid rally, which we suggested that the market could substantially retrace part of this first time frame downtrend. That has happened, and the market has retraced back towards the Kijun-sen at 1097. So it does offer significant resistance to this market. If the market does trade up through there, then the area around 1100 and certainly to 1106 offers very strong resistance, and also all the way up to the top of the cloud or the Kumo, probably around the 1120 region, offers decent resistance. If the market does trade back down below the cloud, then we should look to the 1080 region for potential support, because we know that resistance can change character and offer support. So that's an area of support. And also down around this region, anywhere below where the market is trading at the moment, down below this 1080 region, we can see in the previous three candles we had buying coming in as the market traded down to around this 1060 region roughly. So there was solid buying coming in, and there was upside price rejection around that area, and the bears certainly didn't have any strength. And there is solid support all the way down to the 1040 region. So we have a market where we have very solid support to the downside, but equally solid resistance to the upside. So not necessarily a market that we really want to be trading in a hurry. Also, if you look at the Chiku span, this line here, that's simply the closing price projected backwards 26 periods, so we can compare it with, or compare the current closing price to the closing price 26 periods ago, and that is below where the market was trading at that time. So that offers a bearish signal. As we said previously, the market is trading within the cloud, so that tells us that the market is neutral at the moment, so we need to be very careful taking any buy or sell signals in a neutral market. The market is trading up above the Tenkan-sen, which represents the trend in the fast time frame, so that tells us that in the fast time frame the market is bullish, and obviously we know that from this very strong rally in the first time frame that the market's had. But the market is still trading below the Kijun-sen, although we might as well say that it's trading at the Kijun-sen, so that tells us that the market is neutral as well. Now the Kijun-sen is above the Tenkan-sen, which tells us that we have a bearish bias to this market. So a lot of mixed signals in this market, a fair bit of indecision because we're trading within the cloud or the Kumo, a market that we really do need to be careful of. The area, as I've said, around the high of the current candle and around the Kijun-sen, around the 1096 region up to 1098 and then up through 1100 is very important if the market's going to continue to appreciate, and then certainly down around this 1080 level should be watched over the next few days if the market sells off.